For over 3 decades, KGY has been a trusted name in heating, cooling, and ventilation industry. As a knowledge-based company, we deliver tailored solutions for your factories, industrial complexes, poultry farms, greenhouses, and large-scale facilities, driven by a commitment to quality, innovation, and exceptional service. Here, cutting-edge technology meets global standards backed by certifications like ISO and CE, ensuring you get a flawless experience.
With over 83,000 successful projects, KGY crafts products that exceed your expectations. Today, we'll explore our range of heating, cooling, and ventilation solutions designed with unparalleled craftsmanship and high quality to meet the demands of every industry.
Let's begin with our heating products. WA Series cabinet heaters, Eco Series heaters, KG Series heaters, direct fired heaters, and industrial burners. WA Series cabinet heaters combine modern design with optimized performance, making them perfect for your needs in maintaining stable temperatures and uniform heat distribution in extreme colds down to 70 degrees centigrade. Developed by our innovative R&D team, these heaters incorporate advanced technology and creative design, earning a patent. Recognized as a knowledge-based product, they secured approvals from the Iran's National Elias Foundation and Iran's National Standards Organization. Featuring multi-layer combustion chamber and heat exchangers, these heaters revolutionize efficiency, setting them apart from competitors. Available in 3 capacities, they utilize double forward centrifugal fans to boost powerful airflow, delivering high-speed warm airflow, a critical feature for your large halls. Eco Series heaters are your smart choice for large greenhouses. With 94% efficiency and 40% lower fuel consumption, they provide uniform heat without cold spots. Their cylindrical design, zero carbon monoxide output, and a standards certification make them unmatched in the market. KG Series warm air heaters are engineered for rapid heating in your large industrial spaces such as factories and poultry farms. With 94% efficiency and an integrated design that eliminates the need for a separate burner, these heaters deliver effective low-noise warmth. The KG300's counterflow air design enhances performance, while a secure box and optional wheel installation ensure you get ease of use. KGY direct fire heaters offer an economical solution for environments like your poultry farms and construction sites. With 100% efficiency and complete combustion, they provide rapid waste-free heat. A safe box designed for electrical and fuel components make these heaters ideal for your toughest settings. Industrial burners with a spiral fan design and capacities from 93 to 640 kW are versatile for any boiler and furnace. Compliant with national and European standards, they are easy to service and maintain.
All KGY products carry patents, ISO and CE approvals, and certification from Iran's National Standards Organization.
Our mini air handling units are designed for your medium-sized spaces like banquet halls and commercial units. Equipped with cellulose cooling pads and dual centrifugal fans, they deliver cool, clean air with 50% less electricity consumption. This exclusive product has no market equivalent. KGY centrifugal evaporative coolers are built for your large environments like factories. With airflow up to 20,000 CFM and a robust, durable body, they ensure powerful, quiet cooling even through long ducts. KGY axial evaporative coolers are perfect for your spaces like greenhouses, poultry farms, and warehouses with minimal or no ducting needs. Featuring high-powered fans and cellulose cooling pads, they supply clean, cool air directly to your environment, improving air quality by reducing dust and odors.
Featuring high-powered fans and cellulose cooling pads, they supply clean, cool air to your environment, improving air quality by reducing dust and odors.
Effective ventilation creates a healthy, efficient environment in industrial settings. Our industrial exhaust fans with a static pressure of 180 pascals ensure consistent airflow in your large spaces like greenhouses, poultry farms, and factories. Their galvanized bodies, sturdy dampers, and simple maintenance design set them apart.
Backed by an 18-month warranty and 10 years of after-sales service, these fans guarantee reliable performance for you.
KGY air circulation fans maintain balanced temperature and humidity in your industrial and agricultural settings. With airflow up to 7,000 CFM, quiet operation, and durable construction, they maximize the efficiency of your heating and cooling systems. Beyond heating, cooling, and ventilation, KGY produces specialized poultry equipment, including broiler pan feeder, nipple water drinkers, and air inlets, all designed with unique precision to meet your industry needs.
KGY, powered by an advanced R&D team and global standards, is dedicated to delivering high-quality solutions for your poultry farms, greenhouses, and industrial facilities.
Visit our website or contact our technical experts for more information. We've got you covered.